Hello everyone, my name is Izzati. So now I would like to talk about smart floating farm. So basically, smart floating farms are an innovative idea that can help solve challenges like food shortage, climate change and the lack of farming land. Built to float on dams, these farms use modern systems such as hydroponics to grow vegetables and aquaponics to rear fish, all without using much soil or space. They can also be powered by solar panels, making them environmentally friendly and reducing the need for fossil fuels. With dams providing calm water and a steady supply of fresh water, they are a suitable place for setting up these farms. Okay, so this is the problem. Firstly, there are limited farming land. Population growth and urban development are reducing the amount of fertile land available for agriculture, making it harder to meet food demands. Secondly, high resource consumption. Traditional farming methods use large amount of water and energy, which contributes to environmental problems and is not sustainable in the long term. Lastly, underutilized water surface. Dams and reservoirs cover wide areas of water, but these spaces are often left unused instead of being turned into productive farming systems.
The objective: increase food production in a sustainable way while reducing pressure on land resources. This farm aim to provide fresh vegetable and fish through systems like hydroponics and aquaponics, while making use of renewable energy such as solar power to minimize environmental impact. Another objective is to optimize the use of water surface on them, which are often left unused, and at the same time help reduce water evaporation. The methodology for developing a smart floating farm on dams begins with planning and site selection, which includes choosing a suitable location on the dam and testing the water quality to ensure it is safe for farming. Next, the system is designed by building a floating platform equipped with hydroponics beds for growing vegetables and optional aquaponic tanks for rearing fish. Solar panels are added to provide clean energy for pumps and sensors, while automated monitoring system record important data such as water quality, plant growth, and fish health. After construction, a small pilot farm is set up and tested to make sure the structure, pumps, and sensors are working properly.
Here is the market potential. The market potential for smart floating farm on dams is very promising as the demands for sustainable food and clean energy continues to grow. Globally, the floating farm industry was valued at about 19.7 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach nearly 63 billion by 2033, showing rapid growth. In addition, aquaponics, which combine fish and plant farming, is also expanding, with its market expected to more than double by 2032. The Asia-Pacific region, including countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Singapore, shows the strongest potential because of limited land, growing urban population, and government support for green technology. Floating farm on dams can produce fresh vegetable and fish while using solar power to reduce energy costs, making them attractive for both economic and environmental reasons. By combining food production, renewable energy, and water conservation, smart floating farm can become a valuable solution for future markets while supporting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Let's take a look for the example of the product.
Photovoltaic panels are installed on the top level to harvest sunlight for electricity, and it has rainwater collectors for irrigation purposes. Other renewable energy technologies such as micro-wind turbines may also be added. The second level is a greenhouse for the vegetables, which are grown without soil under the hydroponic system. The plants receive natural light from the skylight openings. The ground level is used as a fish farm on the open sea and features a fish egg hatchery.
Furthermore, the novelty of smart floating farm on dams comes for their ability to turn unused water surface into productive farming areas without depending on land. These farms are unique because they integrate hydroponic and aquaponic, allowing plants and fish to grow together in a closed, efficient system. They are also powered by renewable energy from solar panels, which make the farm more sustainable and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. In addition, the floating structure help reduce water evaporation from the dam, adding extra environmental benefit.
So here's the WSDG element. Firstly, SDG 2, Zero Hunger. Provide more food by producing fresh vegetable and fish in the sustainable way. Second, SDG 6, Clean water and sanitation. Use less water through recycling system and help conserve dam water by reducing evaporation. Last but not least, SDG 7, Affordable and Clean Energy. Use solar panel to generate renewable energy for pump, sensor and farm operation. Lastly, SDG 14, Life Below Water. Protect aquatic ecosystem by preventing overuse of natural water resources and supporting balanced fish farming. As you can see, this is the future plan. In the future, smart floating farm on dam can be expanded from small pilot project into larger farming system that supply food directly to nearby communities. Their design can be improved with more advanced sensor, automation and artificial intelligence to monitor crop, fish and water quality more efficiently. Solar power system can also be scaled up to make the farm fully energy independent. With government support, this farm could be introduced to more dams across the country, helping to increase food security, create green jobs, and reduce environmental impact. In the long term, smart floating farms have the potential to become a key solution for sustainable agriculture that support national development and sustainable development goals.
In conclusion, smart floating farms on dams offer an innovative solution to modern challenges such as food shortage, limited land, and climate change. By combining hydroponic, aquaponic, and renewable energy, these farms can produce fresh food in a sustainable and efficient way while making use of water surface that are often unused. They also bring added benefits such as reducing water evaporation, protecting the environment, and supporting several sustainable development goals. With further development and support, smart floating farms have the potential to strengthen food security, promote clean energy, and create a greener and more sustainable future. That's all from us. Thank you.